Where are we, honey?
We are here in somewhere, everywhere.
Bataan, almost Bataan. In Olongapo.
Yeah. From Angeles, Pampanga.
So we've been driving for more than an hour and a half, and we're heading towards Subic Bay, which is way in the distance over there. We're almost there. A lot of banana trees here, which is great. It's about 32 degrees, a little bit of wind, which is nice. Look at the jungle here. Still, you know, mango trees, banana trees are all natural, and pineapple, not pineapple, coconut trees. It's all the normal, natural jungle trees. So this is looking west. There's a big statue up on the top there with radio towers in the west. Look at these beautiful mountains. This is all going to be, you can see they're developing down there. It's going to all be subdivision here on these mountains. So we just drove the motorcycle up here, didn't we? There's our car. Yeah, I want to stay out over here. Let's go down here and have a look. Hi. Nice house.
Yes.
It's good. Nice view. You can see Manila from here. Good subdivision starting here. Yeah, so you can see the subdivisions just starting down here. What town is this? Olongapo?
Dinalupian, Bataan.
Oh, Bataan. Province of Bataan.
Province of Bataan.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice. That's good. Looks great. So we're going to head off into Subic here shortly. What do you think, honey? It's a good idea?
Yeah.
We're going on, I know, a shortcut.
No, this is long cut, guys. Your shortcut is a long cut.
Long cut. Okay, see you guys later. Here we go. Boo-boo!
At ayan na nga guys, ang ganda dito ng mga tanawin. Alam niyo yung tipong parang marerelax kayo. Talagang nature na nature ang dating. Hi guys! So andito kami ngayon sa Subic Freeport. Ayan. Ang daming mga restaurant dito guys. Tingnan nyo. Mabubusog talaga kayo dito. Ayan guys, nagro-road trip lang muna kami dito ng aking mister. Ikot-ikot lang kami dito, tingin-tingin ng view. Grabe guys dito sa Subic. Napakadaming kakainan. Talagang kayo na mamimili kung gusto nyong kainin. Iba-iba talaga. Ang dami. Merong Uncle's dyan. Basta ang dami. May Dunkin Donuts din. Tapos guys, alam nyo ba, meron ding Diamond Hotel. Ang dami nyo makikita dito guys. Mga hotel, mga restaurant. Pag gusto nyo mag-overnight, basta, ikot lang kayo, hanap lang kayo, ang dami niyong mahanap. Andito kami guys sa loob ng Subic Bay, Freeport. Ayan guys, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami ng aking mister. Ang gamit namin guys, motorbike. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi wala pa kaming sasakyan. So ang aming sasakyan ay ang aming Honda Click. So yan guys, ikot-ikot lang. So tingin-tingin kami ng makakainan. Kasi guys, alam niyo ba, na-feel namin na parang gutom na kami. Kasi alam nyo ba, 2 oras kalahati kaming nag-travel pero naka-motorbike kami noon, guys. So ngayon naisip namin na kumain muna. Hanap-hanap kami ng makakainan. Tinitingnan namin kung saan namin gustong kumain. Sobrang gutom na kami. Hindi kasi kami nag-breakfast. So ang mangyayari, breakfast namin tsaka lunch. Kaya may nakita kami mga ibang restaurant. Napakaganda dito, guys. Tingnan nyo naman guys, yung kalsada nila. Oh, diba? Yung mga mahiling mag-travel dyan. Guys, i-check nyo tong Freeport dito sa Subic. Napakaganda. Ang ganda rin mag-picture-picture dito, mag-vlog-vlog. At finally, nakita na namin ang aming restaurant na gustong kainan. Ayan na! I'm so excited! Sa video! Yeah. Welcome to the Lighthouse Subic! Let's see, guys.
We have some food.
Yeah.
For 2.5 hours.
Yeah. So let's see. What is this? Dun, 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 dun.
Come on in. Let's check it out.
Okay. So this is a hotel, I think.
It's a nice hotel.
So, dito kami sa The Lighthouse. So, yan. Kakain muna kami. May restaurant dito. I-check namin. So, let's see. Nag-road trip kami. ang gamit namin, motor namin. So, let's check this. Subic Sailing. So, ito yung kanilang restaurant dito sa, ang name ay Sands Resto Grill. So, itong restaurant na ito, ang restaurant na ito ay Sands Resto Grill. So, let's see guys. Oh, so meron din silang swimming pool. At, nandito si Kuya. See? It's really good here. See guys? Mas okay dito kasi, pag kumain kayo, meron na kayong swimming pool, meron pa kayong dagat.
Let's eat not in the sun.
Yeah, okay. So, kakain muna kami kasi gutom na kami, guys. How many hours?
2.5 to get here.
Oh, 2.5 hours.
That's why your legs are sore.
Yeah. So, it's okay. I can...
You put it down there.
Kakain muna kami ng aking mister. Oh, look at this, guys. So, yan. Kunin natin yung menu. The lighthouse. Okay. So, dito kami. Kakain na kami ngayon. Dito sa The Lighthouse.
The Lighthouse Hotel, Bar, Cafe, Restaurant, and Swimming Pool by the beach in Subic Bay. Can you believe?
So, pili na kami ng aming kakainin. See this.
Came here by motorcycle. That's our car. Cheap on gas. Only $5.
How much is that in peso?
Oh, I don't know. $5? Probably.
Maybe
1,000 pesos.
1,000 pesos, no.
Huh? No?
Because when we bought they have BDO ATM.
Yeah.
It's only 150 200 pesos.
Yeah, 200 pesos here in Subic. Man, maybe at the most we're gonna have to spend maybe 500 pesos. 500 pesos.
Sa mga 500 pesos yung napunta namin at pabalik na. Kasi nung nagpag-gasolina kami, may gas na talaga kami kanina.
It's about $8.
$8?
US.
So yun, mas dito, cheap yung yung gasoline nila dito. So yan.
Gasolina dito.
Yan. It's Korean. It's Korean. So kain muna kami bago kami mag-road trip.
Honey, I'm gonna need a charger soon. Do we have the...
Ayan na guys. Ayan, namimili na kami ng gusto namin kainin. Grabe. Mukhang masasarap talaga yung mga pagkain nila dito. May pasta, may mga family favorites, mga Filipino food. Wow! Sa daming pagpipilian talagang di mo na alam kung anong pipiliin mo sa dami nila. Saktong-sakto talaga guys kasi talagang gutom na kami. Hi guys! So ayan. Dumating na yung mga order namin. Can we eat there? Over there? So, ayan yung mga order namin. Nandito kami sa Lighthouse. So, ayan.
Oh, French onion soup. Really good.
Gusto naming magpa-negro ng aking mister. Kasi sobrang puti na namin. What is that, husband?
And what is that?
It's French push halo-halo.
Halo-halo! See?
Halo-halo for my wife. She likes that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Philippine style.
Yeah.
Then this one is the crispy palabok.
Oh, that's this crispy palabok.
Palabok, did you order that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, interesting. So, yan.
For this one, this is the tuna tataki.
Yeah, over here. Yeah. She's got a shot of whiskey.
I'll pour it the sauce.
Sure, okay. Pour
Yeah,
this on.
sure. Whoa, look at this, guys.
Yeah, the sauce.
Wow. Love it. Look. Pinride pala nila to, guys.
More sauce. Yeah. Oh,
Palabok.
yeah, look at that, eh?
Oh, grabe, wow.
It's hot sauce.
It's hot sauce. Sir.
Hot sauce for my hot wife. There you go.
Ay, it's okay. This is interesting, guys. So, pinride po siya. Ano po? Itong noodles.
Yes, sir.
So, ganito
Is
siya.
that whiskey?
Whiskey? Is that whiskey, husband?
What is this?
No, it is a extra sauce for the tuna tataki salad, sir. It's a vinaigrette.
Pasensya na guys.
I like it.
Wala kasing ganito sa bundok guys, kaya di namin ininom. So ito pa. Nagkasama ko tong mister ko, love trip to eh.
This reminds me of Bali. You can sit outside. We got bars all along the beach. Everybody's half naked. In Bali. You ever been to Bali? Indonesia?
No, I haven't.
Oh, it's great.
Magiging favorite na ni Kuya yun.
Bars. It's like all like this. I can sit down and eat.
Yeah, okay. Bye-bye guys!
Salamat po. Bye-bye. Arrivederci a Roma.
Sinulit ko na guys, nagpalit muna ako ng damit. Kaya iba yung suot ko dyan guys, oh, di ba? Tapos ngayon guys, pauwi na kami ng aking mister. Bago kami umuwi guys, nagpicture muna kami ni Misters dito sa Magandang Heart. Thank you, the Lighthouse, Subic! See you again! Bye!